Okay guys, I have control of the boat. Hi, this is Captain Shelley for BoatTEST, and today I am lucky enough to be sitting here with Tony from the Yacht Group, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the Yacht Controller, some of the technical aspects of it, tell us about the ins and the outs. So Tony, tell us all about it.
Yacht Controller pioneering wireless control. We've been in the business over 21 years. Today, we're blessed to say we have over 27,000 units in circulation. And our mission has always been and will always be the simple fact that we're looking to create the lifestyle in effortless boating. Boats have gotten bigger, boats have gotten wider, and the ability and flexibility to be anywhere on board the vessel with complete control in the palm of your hands has really proven to be a game changer. And it doesn't matter the experience you have as a boater. You could be a 100-ton master captain, or this could be your first big boat. When you have this product in your hands, it really puts you at ease.
So I know Yacht Controller has been out for quite some time, but you've recently developed the Maximo and the Supremo series. So what sets that apart from the previous iterations and maybe the competitors as well?
So here you have our very popular dual band Yacht Controller series model, offered with the wireless joystick and the Porsche design toggle. And here we have our Maximo series, which is our new CPU quad-core processor rather than just a receiver, and our transceiver models also designed by Porsche for the toggle controller and the wireless joystick control for proportional engine speed control. We offer our dual band and Maximo series for the mid-range yachts, boats typically from 50 to about 80 feet. And then our Supremo series offered for the super and mega yacht series, boats 80 feet to about 135 feet. Some of our prior models still remain in circulation. They're very popular amongst repeat customers. They're very practical and ergonomic. But in today's technology with our Maximo and the Supremo series, we're essentially communicating on two bands of frequency. What we've done though is we've made that just a bit more redundant. So dual band frequency is something proprietary to the Yacht Controller, and we're scrolling amongst multiple channels, up to 100 channel combinations. There's nothing like it in the market today. Through virtual private network, we can access your Yacht Controller remotely anywhere in the world. So with a Wi-Fi hotspot connection, we can gain access to your Yacht Controller. We can do things like some troubleshooting. We can do software updates. We can also set profile user settings and make those adjustments. To make it more of a boat handler's experience and customize the system to the boater. One boater will use our Yacht Controller totally different than another boater. And so being able to customize these profile settings makes for a real unique experience for that boater. So one of the great things we can do is adjust proportional and incremental speed and allow for different profile settings. I can also work on the ramp up time to create a nice, smooth increase in speed, which is not found by any competitor in the market today. To the best, you have a competitor that provides just a single speed setting with no ramp up time capability and no ability to remotely access the Yacht Controller for real-time customer service. Today, Yacht Controller still remains the only commercially certified Yacht Controller. And what that means essentially is we're available on commercial vessels, Coast Guard, chase boats, patrol boats, and things like that. We don't really do a lot of business in that sector, and I never want to try and pretend like we do. But that commercial certification is a very hard certification to attain. And with that certification has led the path to our OEM integrations with companies like Garmin, companies like ZF, companies like Volvo. These are the relationships that Yacht Controller enjoys that no other wireless controller in the market does.
So talk to me about after sales. Like what's your service to the customers 6 months down the road, 2 years down the road?
I've been with Yacht Controller since inception. I helped deliver the first wireless controller. We brought it to market in the States back in 2003. It is and will always be our mission statement is to make sure we take care of our customers. And I know it's a cliche. I know a lot of people say that. But these are products that people invest in, and as a small private company, from a spiritual standpoint, I look at it like I want to do right by my customers. If you've trusted in me in earning your business, we're going to take care of you, not through our 3-year warranty. We're going to take care of you through the life of the ownership, and we've proven that. I've had customers come to me with product that's 15 plus years old, with a broken transmitter, and we've done it at Goodwill, no cost to them. Once it's installed and everything's operational, we really don't have a lot of issues. Over the course of that 21-year span, we're less than a 1.5% fail rate. We have great buyback programs. You know, obviously as we've evolved, like as I mentioned, we're on our 9th and 10th generation today. I've got customers that are trading in product that they bought in 2004, 2005, 2007 at 45, 60% trade-in credit. But I think it's a testament to what we do that stands us apart from not just wireless control competitors, but the marine industry as a whole. And to me, you know, we're only as important as we take care of our customers. I like to tell my staff, it's about the shine, right? We can deliver a great product, market a great product, but if we can't take care of our customers, we're always going to fall short. And for me, that's important for longevity, market growth, and overall support of the marine industry, captains and brokers in the industry as well.
That was Tony Valiente, Chief Operating Officer and Managing Partner of the Yacht Group, with his detailed description of the Yacht Controller technology. Be sure to check out our other video showing the Yacht Controller in action, and to hear real reviews from customers and manufacturer representatives.